My friend Caffeinated Blogger has made a video and got 200,000 views. This video has made approximately $200,000. One video, $200,000. Wait, Mosh, how do you know about $200,000? I'll come to that in a moment. This video solves a big problem of how to make money in a very unique and specific technique. Well, we are also doing the same, so I can show you details shortly. But before that, look at this video. Last 24 hours of Hitler's life. This video has used the same technique and got over 4 million views. Mind blowing. Well, theoretically, they have made more than $4 million. Hitler's life. Who cares about that? Apparently, a lot of people do. You must be confused. Mosh, how do you know about $200,000? What is the technique shown in the video of Caffeinated Blogger? How did this video get 4 million views? And why in the world are we talking about Hitler's life? Mosh, I am here to make money. Tell me, why am I not making money? Money is right here, $242,816 from one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. So that's the good news. Money is here and money is going to come to you. And in a moment, I'm going to connect all the dots so you will clearly understand how to make money as a beginner with a free to start AI application that we use to make money, and it's free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it and start now. Please give us a thumb up, share our video with your friends and family, social media contacts, so everybody else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people are doing the same. You can do it too. And this is the point. I need to be totally transparent and honest with you. We make money using videos. All of our videos we make are to make money. So while you're watching this video, we are actually making money. And the reason we make money is that it's easy to connect with thousands of people using videos, share stories with them, inspire them, share helpful step-by-step information so viewers like you can take action and get results. And we have 20 plus channels. But unlike this channel, we don't use cameras and microphones or complex editing softwares for those channels. We use our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic helps us make videos using image and text. Epic has built in 2.7 million images and videos, all royalty free for you to use and make videos. Epic turns scripts into natural sounding voiceover, and Epic writes scripts using artificial intelligence. And on the right hand side, you can see all those bite-sized videos. They can be from 1 second to 10 minutes long. And in just one click of a button, you can combine all these clips into one long video, any length you want. When the video is ready, you get a notification in your email, download it and upload it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook and make money. But that's not all. Epic also does the technique shown in this video of Caffeinated Blogger, text to video. And this technique is so important that 200 people watched it and people still watch it. Let me show you how it's possible in Epic under 10 seconds. And after this, I will show you where the money is and why Hitler's video is so important. Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can can pause it. I can just click add and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You might be asking, Mosh, how do you turn videos and views into money? To understand where the money is, you just need to Google. Money is in other people's pocket and they only pay when they get value for the money. This video solves a big problem, that is turning text into video. And that's why people keep watching it. But the software he's showing in this video is not for making money. We used it and we didn't like it because it's slow, limited, and clunky. So we used our own epic.ai to help us and users make money fast. It literally takes 3 to 5 minutes of your time to make a money making video. So here is the money. When you get your YouTube accounts monetized, every view gets you money from YouTube AdSense. And your content make viewers click on your links you put in the description. For example, this is where caffeinated blogger puts his links. All these are either affiliate links or links that viewers can click. And in your content, ask viewers to click your link to buy from you. If they love your content and trust you, they will love your content for quality and trust you for telling the truth and buy from your link, because people love to buy from who they trust. Now let's get back to Hitler's video that got 4 million views. Look at the description of the video. All these are sources of the information shared in this video. So this video is basically a video created from text. Yes, they used animation, but that's for entertainment only. The videos we make are helpful video, information video. So we don't need fancy and expensive animations. We need to share helpful information and a little bit of entertainment using image and text to deliver the message to our viewers. And that's why Epic is built and it's free to start. Link is in the description, go grab it. Now people are watching Hitler's video because Hitler is an extreme villain in the history and people want to know about him. So although the main content about 24 hours of Hitler's life is only 1 to 2 minutes in this video, people keep watching the whole video. And that's why YouTube sends more and more viewers to it. So yes, the summary is get helpful and informative contents from the internet. Turn them into your content using AI that comes with Epic, or rewrite it your own. Turn it into story people want to hear. Information story or entertainment story, or information story with a little bit of entertainment to make it interesting, and turn that story into videos using epic.ai. Epic is free to start, link is in the description. And make sure to put your affiliate link, whatever you're promoting with your videos, in the description of your video and ask your viewers to click your link in the description, and that is it. Your videos may get 4,000 views, may get 4 million views, may get 40 million views, but every view counts when it comes to making money online. And now it's time to reveal what makes us money. You see this number of hops? These are the people who watch our videos, clicks our links, and eventually buy from us. So the final words, you just need to focus on helping your viewers with your videos, and they will help you by buying from you from your links, and you will make money. It starts from you telling your story to your viewers using epic.ai. It's free to start, link is in the description. And if you like this video, if it was helpful and informative, please give us a thumb up, share our video with your friends and family, social media contacts, so everybody else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and hundreds of thousands of other people are doing the same. You can do it too. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.